a second. Do you think that we can grow our own plant? You do? Look what I found. Seeds. These seeds are so tiny. But if we plant them, give them water and sunshine, they might grow big and tall. Can you help me plant them? You will? Let's do it. Come on, let's go. Hi friends, I'm Miss Kristen, and we're gonna play, learn, and grow together. Today, we're gonna do a fun hands-on learning activity from our learning box. We are gonna paint a flower pot, plant seeds, learn all about science, and practice colors and counting. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on, let's go. First, we have to paint our flower pot. What color should we paint with first? Can you point to the blue paint? Which paint is blue? Good job! I'm gonna start by putting blue polka dots all over my pot. Dot, 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 dot. Wow! Next, let's do yellow. Can you point to the yellow paint? Point to the yellow. Good job! You found the yellow. I'm gonna do yellow polka dots. Dot, dot. Do you like the color yellow? I love the color yellow. It's a very happy sunshine color. Good job. Now let's add some white. Can you point to the white? Great. I'm gonna do the bottom rim white. Brush, brush, brush. It looks so much prettier than just the plain pot. Maybe it will make the butterflies come because they'll see all the pretty colors. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush the white paint on our pot. We have one color left on our plate that we haven't used yet. What color have we not used on our pot? That's right, purple. Can you point to the purple paint? Point to the purple paint. Good job. Let's add a few purple polka dots to our pot. Dot, dot, dot. Purple polka dots. Dot, dot, dot. Which color do you like best? That's a great color. Dot, dot. Painting is so much fun. There we go. I think I'm all done with my pot. What do you think? It's so pretty. Great job. Now it's time to plant the seeds. Look how tiny the seeds are. Are the seeds big or little? That's right, the seeds are very little. First, we need dirt or soil. Let's scoop the soil into our pot. Will you count the scoops with me? Scoop, scoop, scoop. Can you pretend to scoop soil at home? Scoop, scoop, scoop. 1, 2. We used 2 scoops of soil. Now it's time to add our seeds. let's use our finger to dig a little hole to put our seeds in. Pretend to dig a little hole with your finger. Dig, dig, dig. Dig a little hole. Good job. Now, let's put our seeds in. Let's count the seeds as we drop them in our soil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now we have to cover up our seeds with the soil. Pat, pat, pat. Can you do that? Pat, pat, pat. Great job. Now it's time to add the water. We're gonna pour the water on. Will you pretend to pour water on with me? Pour, pour, pour. Our plants get thirsty and we have to give them water. What do plants need to grow? Soil, water, and sunshine. Do you think that our seeds will grow big and tall? You do? I hope so. I can't wait to have pretty flowers. The seeds that we planted today are wildflowers. So we will get a mix of lots of beautiful color flowers. I'm so excited. What do you think will happen next? Do you think that our flowers will grow big and tall? How tall do you think that our flowers will grow? Stretch up big and tall and show me how big you think they'll grow. Wow, that's really tall. I can't wait for them to grow. Let's pretend to grow like plants. First, we're a tiny seed. Curl up like a little tiny seed. I'm so tiny, a tiny little seed. Now we start to grow. Let's grow and grow and grow. Big and tall. We're tall plants. Look at our beautiful leaves. What color flower are you? I love that color. I'm a purple flower. Purple flower. Great job growing, friends. That was so much fun. This activity is from our Pre-K with Kristen learning box, filled with hands-on learning fun for toddler and preschoolers. We use crafts, games, sensory play, and activities to help little learners build early learning skills through play. If you had fun learning with me today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and check out the channel for other videos like this. Make sure you subscribe so you've never missed an episode of Pre-K with Kristen, where we play, learn, and grow, and learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye!